The search is over. This custom-built, beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath ranch home may be exactly what you've been looking for. Located in the Southwest Allen County School District, not only is this a gorgeous home, it also offers a great location close to everything Fort Wayne has to offer. Entering the home, the welcoming foyer opens to a large great room where soaring cathedral ceilings open the space even more. The focal point of the great room is the lovely fireplace, ready to provide an ambient glow over an evening at home or offer some warmth in the winter. The kitchen boasts Harlan Cabinets with plenty of space for all kitchen essentials, as well as Corian countertops and ceramic tile flooring. The large master suite offers the perfect retreat, featuring a bath with double sinks. Are you tired of clothes piling up in the laundry basket? The convenient laundry chute has you covered. Head down to the basement where you'll enjoy a rec room, exercise area, and entertaining area. If you're wondering about storage, you'll find plenty of it in this home. Come and check it out, and you'll see that you and this home are meant to be. Call Lisa Newsom to schedule your personal tour.